Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now, our discussion will start on page 295. Okay, so here on this page, we're already on lesson number 89. Okay, and our topic is dictation. Again, it's dictation. So do you know what dictation means? Alright, so you can see here some of the teacher's language overview. So to have an idea what dictation is, let's read the sentences here. So the first one, I'm going to say some sentences. Next, write down what I say. Next one, I'll say the sentences 2 times. Next is, the first time, I'll say them at a normal speed. Next we have, the second time, I'll say them slowly. Next, here's the first sentence. Next, let me say it again. Next one, I'll say it more slowly this time. Another question here is, how many words did you write down? And read your sentence, please. Okay? So those are the teacher's language overview. Now let's see that in a dialogue form so we can better understand what's going on right there. So the dialogue here starts with the teacher speaking, and let's read. Now I'm going to say some sentences. Write down what I say. I'll say the sentence 2 times. The first time, I'll say them at a normal speed. Now on to the next page. Alright, we have here. Let's continue reading. The second time, I'll say them slowly. Here's the first sentence. We can speak English very well. And then the students write the sentence. Are you done? The students said yes. Teacher, what did you write, Sarah? Sarah said, we speak English well. Teacher, okay, let me say it again. I'll say it more slowly this time. We can speak English very well. After the students finish writing, okay, how many words did you write down? Jason said 6. Teacher, okay, read your sentence please. Alright, so that's it for the dialogue part. Now let us study the other expressions this time. So starting with the first one, write down what I say. You could also simply say it this way. Write what I say. Or write what you hear. Alright, now next we have here number 2. Let me say it again. The teacher could also say it this way. Let's try it again. Or, here it is once more. Or, listen to it a second time. Okay, number 3 we have here. How many words did you write down? You can also say it this way. How many words did you get? Or how many words did you hear? And before we go to the next expression, you can see here again a word inside a parenthesis, okay? So again, if you remembered from the previous video, we've discussed that if you see a word in a parenthesis, you can either say it or it's okay if you don't, okay? Because If you don't use it, the grammatical structure will still be correct. Just like this. How many words did you write? Or you can also use it. How many words did you write down? Okay, so you can, it's your choice if you want to use that word or if you don't want to use that word. It's up to you. Alright, so number 4, let's go back to the discussion. We have here, read your sentence, please. Another way of saying that is, let's hear your sentence. If it's in a question form, it's, can you read your sentence? Or, why don't you read your sentence? Now on to the next page. So those are the other expressions. And here on this page, you can check the Korean translation of the dialogue part that we've just read. So that would be all for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.